Inspection of the TB Hospital Umsawli was conducted earlier during the day to ensure its completion for admission of COVID-19 patients with immediate effect. The inspection was done by the Health Minister Shri A.L. Hek in the presence of DHS, health officials and others. During the inspection, it was found that the TB hospital, which was supposed to be completed with 100 beds, but due to the rising cases, the need was felt to immediately take admission because the other corona care centers in the city are running out of space. At present, the city hospital can accommodate up to 50 patients.
According to the DHSMI and also official of the health department yesterday, when we discussed with them, they told it will be ready 50 beds with all the facilities, with the oxygen facilities and other facilities, will be ready today evening for 50 beds. So that's COVID hospital, the new COVID hospital. It is meant for 100 beds and 50 beds will be ready now. So we are going to start immediately with 50 beds and continuing with the remaining 50 beds to complete 100 beds soon. But to make it functional, for benefit of the people, those are suffering from the COVID, those having this symptomatic, it can be admitted in this new COVID hospital at Umsawli. So health department, they are preparing, and tomorrow also in the afternoon at 12:30, along with the district magistrate, the DC, the officials of the health department, DHSMI, we are going for the inspection of the another new COVID hospital to make preparations tomorrow there at Umrand MCH hospital. After the inspection, if it is feasible to convert temporarily to the COVID hospital, that also will be the next new COVID hospital for 50 beds. So this is the preparations been doing from the health department and the government, and also